Hey guys, got a 2022 plate Toyota CHR here. Just going to show you how to adjust the date and the time on this one. So on this one, we're going to make sure your ignition or engine is switched on. And then from here, we're going to go to the screen in the center of the dash. Then once you get to this screen, press on the actual time in the top right hand corner. Then you can either set it automatically, so it does it for you, or if you want to do it manually, untick that, scroll down a tiny bit and then go to set time manually. Then from here you can adjust to what you need and then press OK. And again, if you want automatic, just switch that, make sure that's blue. And then you have your time zone here and your 24-hour, if you would like, prefer a 24-hour clock. And also your date format there.